In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Fresha in just 5 minutes. Setting up this versatile platform allows businesses to manage appointments, improve client experiences, and streamline booking processes effectively. So, let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or device. Once it's up and running, go to your search engine, like Google or Bing, and type in Fresha. Hit Enter, and you should see Fresha's official website among the top results. Click on it to access their homepage. Now that you're on the Fresha site, look for the login option if you already have an account. However, if you're brand new to Fresha, you'll want to focus on locating the Start Now button or the option to sign up for a free trial. Fresha offers a great opportunity to explore their features without commitment through their free trial. So make sure to take advantage of this. Once you've decided to sign up, the process is straightforward. You can choose to register using your email, or if you prefer a quicker sign-in method, you can opt to use your Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts, which are secure and equally efficient. This step is all about convenience, so choose the method that suits you best. After initiating your sign-up, Fresha will prompt you to fill in some of your personal information. This includes your first and last name, an email address that you actively use, and a contact phone number. It's important to ensure this information is accurate, as it's vital for account recovery and for maintaining seamless communication with Fresha. Once you've entered your personal details, the next step involves providing some information about your business. You'll need to specify the location of your business, which helps clients find you easily when booking. Also, detail the main services your business offers, along with your standard business hours. You may also need to indicate the services you plan to use or are interested in exploring through Fresha. This information will help tailor your account to fit your business's needs perfectly. Now, with your basic setup complete, you can begin to customize your experience further. This final phase involves setting up your calendar where you can manage bookings easily, configuring your payment options so transactions are smooth for you and your clients, and adding any team members who will use Fresha. These steps ensure that you make the most of the platform's functionality and increase efficiency in running your business. And there you have it. You've set up your Fresha account. It's a simple process, but one that can significantly impact your business management. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore the numerous features Fresha offers to make the most out of this powerful tool.